Habis nanti barang-barang dapur macam telur dah habis, siapa beli? Anak beli ke, beli ke, atau kita beli? You know, that very nitty-gritty stuff, you know. Dulu aku pernah duduk rumah mak mentua and everything kan. Kasih mak mentua, bapak mentua duit untuk barang dapur, barang pasar. Then you, bagi aku at the point of time, aku just cuci tangan, tak ambil tahu.
Aku most of the time tak beli, tapi the thing is that once in a while, aku akan pergi supermarket, just to then tanya.
Stock up.
Just tanya macam beras dah habis ke,
beras
apa-apa dah habis ke. So kita beli lah. Because I've heard that some parents so-called they demand.
True.
Sometimes it's not because they really want the money from the kids or whatsoever. It's just maybe they want to inculcate the responsibility.
Correct.
This is what I've seen before lah. To me, responsibility that you should also take note of lah, because you are not the owner of the house.
Correct.